Welcome to Autosphere. The Land Rover Camper Van Motorhome stands as a perfect fusion of rugged durability and luxurious comfort, designed for travelers who seek adventure without sacrificing convenience. Built on Land Rover's renowned off-road platform, this camper van takes the concept of mobile living to an entirely new level. Whether you're navigating rocky mountain trails or cruising along coastal highways, it offers unmatched reliability and performance in any environment. Under the hood, the camper van is powered by a robust engine that delivers high torque and efficient fuel consumption. Paired with Land Rover's intelligent all-wheel drive system, the van is capable of handling challenging terrains with ease. The advanced traction control, hill descent assist, and adjustable air suspension provide maximum control and comfort during every journey, whether you're off the beaten path or on paved roads. The exterior is rugged yet stylish, featuring a sturdy frame, all-terrain tires, and protective underbody plating. Large windows allow for panoramic views, and integrated roof racks offer additional storage for outdoor gear. Many models also come equipped with retractable awnings and outdoor lighting, making it easy to set up a comfortable outdoor living space wherever you stop. Inside, the layout is carefully engineered to make the most of every inch of space. The PE camper features a modular design with convertible beds, swivel seating, and a compact dining area. High-quality materials such as durable wood finishes, insulated panels, and moisture-resistant flooring make the interior both comfortable and practical for long-term use. The kitchen area includes everything needed for off-grid cooking, such as a gas stove, sink with water pump, mini fridge, and ample cabinetry for storing utensils and supplies. Countertops are designed for easy cleaning and durability, while smart layouts ensure that even in tight quarters, meal prep remains hassle-free and enjoyable. The bathroom setup is compact yet functional, typically featuring a cassette toilet and a small shower unit with hot water access. Space-saving designs, such as foldable sinks and retractable doors, help maintain room to move around while keeping hygiene facilities easily accessible during travel. Climate control is another key aspect of comfort. Most Land Rover camper vans come equipped with built-in heating systems, roof ventilation fans, and thermal insulation, making them suitable for both hot summers and cold winter expeditions. Optional solar panels and battery systems also allow for extended off-grid stays without worrying about energy supply. Technology enhances the overall experience with modern infotainment systems, USB charging ports, GPS navigation, and even smart lighting options. Many models are also equipped with solar inverters, allowing travelers to use standard appliances like laptops, kettles, and even microwaves while on the road. Safety is a major focus in the Land Rover camper van. From reinforced safety cages and crash-tested components to multiple airbags, lane assist, and rear-view cameras, the vehicle is designed to keep occupants safe in all conditions. Emergency recovery gear and onboard diagnostic tools also make it easier to handle unexpected challenges during remote adventures. The Land Rover Camper Van Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle choice for those who value freedom, exploration, and comfort. Designed for modern nomads, this motorhome allows you to travel far beyond traditional routes, offering a self-sufficient and luxurious living space wherever your journey takes you. Whether for a weekend escape or a cross-country expedition, it delivers an experience that blends adventure with the comforts of home.